When I was in grade school, my mother told me a story about how she had fallen into despair one day because she felt like she would never be a good cook. She told me that her mother, who had been a good cook and taught her to cook, found out that the only way to become a good chef was by practicing cooking and learning from mistakes. So the best way to get over this feeling is by taking on more cooking tasks with more precision. This will help you learn what makes certain dishes successful versus others, as well as help you improve your skills in an easy-to-follow manner. So basically, if you want to be a good person, sometimes you just have to do good things. You learn by doing. That thought terrified me for years. I've seen people in my life that did so many good deeds, but ultimately succumbed to the darkness of the human mind and worked their way downwards into the abyss of evil. Some people might say that my view on morality was too black and white. Others might say that my views are too idealistic. At the end of the day, I believe it is our actions that define who we are. If you have good intentions and do bad things, then it will only be a matter of time before your actions start to define you as a bad person. That's why I don't trust in God, because faith is not enough for me. I have evidence. I'm not going to say that I'm a bad person because I know that whenever I do bad things, it's because of my own doing, not a deity that allegedly loves me. People always blame their sins on God, but in the end, they are accountable for their own actions. That is the meaning of free will. I feel like people use faith as an excuse to do whatever they want and then blame it on God afterward. People might argue that by using logic, you can never know if you are correct in your assumptions or not. They say that we need faith to be happy, and some even use it as an excuse to justify their actions. But what people aren't getting is that it's not about whether or not you are correct in your assumptions. The point of being human is that you can find something out and prove yourself wrong with evidence. You don't have to stay stuck in one mindset, but instead, learn from your mistakes and correct them. You can never find God the way you want, but you can be a good person because of the choices you make. I see people doing good things all the time, and I admire them for putting effort into making this world a better place through helping others and giving back. I feel that it's my obligation as a human being to support them and to pay it forward. It's my responsibility to make sure that the world is a safe place for people, and hopefully, one day, I will become a person of wisdom who can use the right words at the right time. I feel like helping others makes you more alive and gives you a sense of purpose. It's not just about doing good things because it's good, but more because it changes you as a person and makes you feel less lonely in the process. In order for me to be happy, I need honesty and transparency. I need someone who can love me for everything that I am. I need to be able to do the same for that person. I want a person who is proud of my accomplishments and is willing to tell me what they are proud of as well. Faith is believing in something without any evidence. If you truly have faith, then why do you need evidence? At the end of the day, we should not look down on those who have different views or even ridicule them, because our own beliefs might just be mere delusions handed down by some ancient book that no one even knows the original author of. I spend a lot of time with people who are different from me or don't believe in the same things as I do. Despite our differences, we learn from each other and can share ideas that can improve our lives. We aren't going to be able to change one another, but rather, we should respect one another for the good that we have done together. In my view, faith is what makes you blind to the truth. It's what makes you believe in unquestionable truths when there is no evidence for them at all. That's why I don't have faith in myself, because I have evidence that can prove my own inadequacies and mistakes. I need people to believe in me because it makes me feel good about myself. I need a community that loves and supports me. I don't have faith in myself because I have evidence to the contrary. Thank you for your time with this post. Please share this podcast with your friends, and we'd love to hear that you'll be here next time.